This is a video about my goblin hoover. I grew up with this hoover, so it's very old. My grandfather owned it before my dad did, now I own it. The date inside is 1938, so it is now very old. I think 82 it works out as. I'm going to refurbish it, strip it, sort all the rust out, bring it back to its former glory. And I suppose you're all waiting for the moment when I say it does work, and I'm sure you'd like to hear it. So here goes. I'm going to switch it on now. Still good suction for a really old hoover. Switch it on. That is a bit rough and ready. I might try and get that serviced somewhere because I don't know how to service it, but I do know how to restore it. So in a few months' time you'll see this with a lick of paint and looking much better. So until then, this is goodbye.